Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this gorgeous retro inspired spring look. I absolutely love her hair color. I think that the hue paired with the red lip is just so beautiful. She has the winged liner here. And she does this absolutely gorgeous retro wave. I think if you plan on going to prom this year, I think this would be an absolutely gorgeous look to wear. So today we are going to be checking out some makeup looks. If you guys do like today's video, please let me know if you want to see more makeup inspired tutorials, and I will be happy to put together a video for you. So this particular look is more of like an everyday makeup vibe. She's got a little bit of a darker lip going there. And then we move into a fresh faced, glowing spring makeup style. And yes, we are putting the blush on the nose to give us this nice little iridescent glow. Another pretty neutral everyday makeup look. Once again, putting that blush on the nose paired with a nude lip. Gorgeous. I love how she did her hair too. Oh, a pop of yellow. And when it comes to like spring makeup, I feel like doing a nice pop of color. You can do like the eyeliner or underneath the eye like she did here. The rest of the face is pretty much neutral. I think that is such a gorgeous look. So here we have another neutral everyday spring look. Lots of neutral peachy colors here. She did a very dramatic eyeliner. finishes the look with a nice nude lip. So this next makeup look is full of color. So she uses some NYX items to create this. I just love how fun and festive this is. Pastels are usually in like every spring season, so you cannot go wrong with doing like a pastel eye look. Just make sure you keep it like simple on the lip, because you don't want to do like a bold eye and then have like this dramatic lip paired with it. And I like how she didn't do an eyeliner here. She just did like a nice combo of the colors and then did like a nice soft simple lip to go with the look. This would be really pretty to wear to like a music festival. And then we have another really pretty bold eye look. I love this electric blue color. Now this is more of like a very soft, natural, everyday makeup glowy feel, followed by another bold eyeliner look. So that's definitely going to be a hot trend that you can try this spring season, going bolder on the eyes. Looks like she did hers with more of like a soft pastel blue. She went with pastel colors on the cheeks and the lips. Anastasia has some great makeup palettes. So the makeup artist does a cut crease look here, winged liner. She leaves the skin nice, glowy, and dewy. And once again, a lot of really soft pastel pinky color. She does a gold or silver glittery liner there. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love this with the dark purple underneath. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Alright you guys, so remember to like today's video if you did enjoy checking out these makeup looks with me. I will be doing more if you guys want them, and I will see you in the next one.